What if launching tens of NewsBreak campaigns took you about the same time as launching one? In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to do that. We will use one simple Excel template and your favorite AI tool to build whole batches of campaigns in one go. And to make it even easier, I created a free AI skill that already knows everything about the NewsBreak campaign format. It knows every field, every setting, every value, so it builds the file for you and checks it before you upload for possible mistakes. I'm Irving from The Optimizer. We just rolled out a bulk Excel campaign uploader for NewsBreak, and I'm excited to show you how to use it to boost your campaign launching process and save hours every week. Here's what we'll cover so you can follow along. First, the problem. Why launching campaigns at volume on NewsBreak eats up so much of your time. Then, how the bulk uploader works. After that, how to use any AI tool to fill in the template for you so you're not building it by hand. And finally, how to automate the whole thing end to end, from creating the template to uploading it using the Optimizer's API. Now let's start with the problem. But first, a big shout out to our friends at NewsBreak. We have been working with them for almost 2 years now, and we have seen a lot of success stories, media buyers using the Optimizer to automate and scale their NewsBreak campaigns and double their spending in just a few weeks. From what we hear, the traffic quality there is great, so if you are running native ads, it's well worth a look. And if you want to give it a try, there is also a promo code to help you get started. I'll leave all the details below. Now, nothing I'm about to say here is a knock on NewsBreak's ad manager, obviously, but the feedback we hear from our users is the same. Their campaign creator just wasn't built for speed. You build everything by hand there. One campaign, one ad set at a time, re-entering the same targeting, the same budgets, the same bids over and over. So what our users really wanted was simple. They needed a template they set up once and reused to launch the same kind of campaigns every day. And that's exactly what our bulk Excel uploader unlocks. Now let's jump right into it and show you how everything works. Okay, so first I want to start by showing you where the bulk campaign uploader for NewsBreak lives inside the Optimizer, how to access it, what are all the available options to generate an Excel template, and how to read all the available columns and information included in the Excel template that you are going to download. To access the campaign creator, you go in the campaign creator menu on the left, and then depending on how many ad networks you have integrated into the Optimizer, you'll see a few options, including NewsBreak. Clicking on the NewsBreak card will show a dialog with a few options you can choose from on how you want to generate the Excel template. You can start from an existing campaign, and the download link will appear below. Another option that you might want to check before moving forward is the include rules option, which is a very nice addition to have. What it does is it includes all the existing rules of the original campaign into the template that you are downloading, so that you make sure that all the new campaigns that you're creating, you apply those automation rules to those campaigns by default. So if you want to include rules as well automatically in the downloaded templates, just turn it on and you can choose here from some specific rules or just all the rules of the original template. The other option is starting from a blank template, which I would recommend just to check it out the first time to understand a little bit how a template looks like. If you click copy, it's going to ask you to make a copy of this Google Sheet template into your Google Drive. And if you move forward, a copy will be created on your Google Drive, which contains an example row of how a single campaign might look. Now, here, as you can see, you'll find all the available options to create a NewsBreak campaign. Each option has a description that explains what it does, how to fill in. Columns that accept specific values only are built with those values embedded already, so that you can click and select one of those values instead of having to enter it manually. And also we include some helper sheets. Down here at the bottom you can see there is a sheet called locations, which includes all the available location IDs which are necessary to put into the template if you want to include or exclude specific locations in your targeting. And there is also a sheet named columns explained, where same as the column comment notes, when you hold the mouse over the column, here's an explanation for each column for you to make it easier to understand what that column is. But anyway, this is, as I mentioned, just for you to understand how the structure is and how the template works, because as I've mentioned multiple times now, the AI skill should do all the heavy lifting for you here. So hopefully you don't have to touch any of this manually. You don't have to worry about IDs, knowing what goes on each field. You just need to explain to your AI service what you need to do, provide all the informations if you've been asked some questions, and it is going to generate, validate, and then provide the final Excel template for you to upload into the optimizer. So I'm not going to spend more time on this. Next, I want to show you exactly how to use our AI skill to have it generate a similar template. Okay, so what I want to cover now is the AI part that I have been mentioning, and more specifically how to use any AI service combined with the skill that I have created to generate the Excel template for you. In my case, I'm going to use Claude Cowork because that is my go-to AI service that I use every day, so no need to change it, but you can use any other service. For instructions on where to download and how to install the skill on your preferred AI service, you can refer to the Optimizer documentation. On the NewsBreak section, under Campaign Uploader, you'll find a section called Bulk Upload AI Skill, and here you'll find all the necessary downloads to download and install the skill on Claude, or instructions on how to create the skill on any other AI service. And if you don't know what a skill is and how to create it, just give the instructions to your AI service that you download from here. And for example, if you are going for ChatGPT or Gemini, just download the NewsBreak Campaign Builder portable.md file. It has all the necessary instructions regarding how this skill needs to work, and Gemini or ChatGPT will provide you with instructions what to do next to install it as a skill. A skill is basically a set of instructions to solve a specific problem. And in this case, we have built this skill to specifically understand the NewsBreak campaign structure, understand every field, understand what goes into every field, to be able to validate every field to make sure there are no mistakes. It has been instructed to keep the same naming structure. If it detects a naming structure that you are using already, it will keep that naming structure for campaigns, ad groups, and ads, as we'll see during the example. So the goal is here to take as much work off you as possible. Now, what I want to do next is first I'm going to download an example template from an existing campaign. It is a simple campaign with one ad, just for the sake of this demonstration. It is a solar campaign targeting New York City, man between, I think it was 46 to 65, something like that, if I remember correctly. And I want to expand this campaign to Texas, California, and I think it was Florida. So I want to expand it to 3 other states. And for each of these states, I want to create one campaign version in English and one in Spanish. What I'm going to provide to Claude Cowork is just the example template and some instructions. I'm going to provide, because for these new campaigns, I want to use new images and new descriptions and titles, headlines. So I'm going to provide that as well. And that's it. And everything will be generated automatically, and I'll get a file at the end. Okay, so let me first go to the optimizer and download a file. I'm going to start from an existing template. I'm going to go search for solar, download template, and then I'm going to go back to Claude, and I'm going to go add files or photos, and I'm going to go with solar. And then I have a prompt here that I have prepared. This will be the prompt. So the prompt basically says, this is an example NewsBreak template downloaded from an existing campaign. I want to create other 6 similar campaigns for Texas, Florida, and California. One campaign will be in English and another in Spanish. Each campaign will have 2 ad sets with 3 ads each. So we are also changing the structure of the campaign here. The example campaign is simple, is one ad group, 1 ad. Here, for each campaign, we want to have 2 ad groups with 3 ads each, so 6 ads total each campaign. I'm providing 3 titles plus description pairs and 2 images. So 3 copies, 2 images. The combination of each makes 6 ads, which we're going to use for each campaign. Generate total 6 ads from these combos, generate a version of each in Spanish, and use them in the campaigns. All right, let me also provide the links to images. By the way, the skill has been instructed to work with links or images that you might attach here. But if you attach images, it needs to have a connection to your Google Drive so that it will upload first the images to your Google Drive and use links from your Google Drive. So first of all, I'm going to paste the copies. These are title plus headline combos. I'm going to paste it here. And let me grab the image links. And these are the 2 image links that I'm going to use. So let me press enter and let's see what happens. Okay, here we go. So it ran for a few minutes, around 3-4 minutes, I think, which is acceptable. And this is the output that I got here in Claude Cowork. So let's read quickly. It says done. 36 ad rows across 6 campaigns, validated and ready to upload. All right, the structure, web conversion, $50 a day. Nothing changed here. It kept the same status off because probably the original campaign had the status off. 6 campaigns. It kept the same naming structure that we had. As you can see here in the preview, yeah, Texas and we had New York and now we have Texas and we have California and California ES for Spanish and so on. The geolocation IDs that it got from the template. So for Texas, this is the ID for targeting Texas, for Florida, this one, for California, this one. So it used the correct IDs under the include location. And okay, a couple of decisions I made. Creative went in asset URL. Yes, probably there was a mistake here in the in the skill definition where we instructed it to use the image URL column, but instead the column is called asset URL. But as you can see, it resolved automatically and corrected that automatically and defaulted the same image URL to the logo URLs. Spanish copies in natural translation. CTA was localized to Más Información. All right, let's see this file. Let's open. All right, so let's see the naming template. Yeah, okay. Yeah, looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. So at this point, this is ready to be uploaded to the optimizer. And to upload the template, now what we do is we go to campaign creator, again, NewsBreak, and now choose a file and find your file that you generated using your AI service, open it, and click on upload campaigns, and that's it. All right, and now the last part here before moving forward is how, because we saw how to upload this file that we generated manually, but there are clients on the optimizer already that they need to automate this step as well. So not only they want to be able to automatically generate a template and make it and prepare it and everything, but they also want to remove the need to come to the optimizer and upload it manually. And for that, we have an API that you can find API instructions in our documentation section. At the very bottom, you can find the API. And if you click on this Postman collection, it's going to load what we have as a public API. If you need anything more, just reach out to our team. But here we have an endpoint that is create campaigns using an Excel file. And here you have all the necessary instructions on how to use this endpoint. So this means that if you have a little bit of technical knowledge, or you have a technical team behind you, or if you want to just vibe code this functionality, you can ideally automate the whole process. Like, you can have a template, you can keep inputting, you can keep feeding your new creatives and new prompts to this flow, have your AI service generate the file for you and put it into a specific location, and then have a script that reads the file from that location and uploads it into the optimizer using the instructions, the optimizer's API, and the instructions that you can find in this documentation. Okay, so this is it. Thank you for following along, and see you in other videos. If you need anything, don't hesitate to reach out to me either on Telegram or email. You'll find the details at the bottom.